In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change notification sound for messages notifications on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings and then scroll down until you find Messages. After that, get into Notifications, and that's where you can easily find sounds. By tapping right here, you will be able to select any sound from that list. You can easily do so just by tapping on it. And also in here, if you would like, you can also turn that sound off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.